travel to mountains, I always wonder whether do we have anything, something different which can capture these mountains with a different perspective. I can proudly say now we do have something.
हेलो जी, आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग ग्रेट. दिस इज योर होस्ट अभिषेक जम्वाल. और अभी आपने ट्रेलर देखा ही होगा, तो यू कैन एक्सपेक्ट कि वीडियो किस पे है. सो रिसेंटली Insta360 दे हैव सेंट मी देयर एक्शन कैमरा. इट्स Insta360 X3. तो मुझे इसको यूज़ करते हुए अराउंड 2 महीने हो गए और मैंने इसे हर जगह यूज़ करा है. जम्प टू द फील्ड वर्क फर्स्ट. सो आई विल शो यू माई सम फुटेजेस व्हिच आई हैव shot from this camera. So you can see it right now in your screen.
X3 की फुटेजेस को एडिट करने के लिए वी आर हैविंग 2 मेथड. तो पहला इज वी कैन डू इट इन Adobe Premiere Pro एंड द सेकंड वन इज वी कैन डू इट इन Insta360 X3. तो पहले Adobe में करते हैं. इसके लिए क्या करना है, यू कैन जस्ट ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप योर फुटेजेस टू द टाइमलाइन. सो बेसिकली मैंने पहले यहाँ पे कर रखा है. सो आई एम हैविंग 1 थार क्लिप. सो एज यू कैन सी यहाँ पे भी इट्स डबल स्प्लिटेड. तो इसके लिए व्हाट यू नीड टू डू इज यू नीड टू डाउनलोड वन plugin that is from GoPro. It is GoPro FX plugin. Link I will mention in the description. You can download that. So once that link is downloaded, we can perform activity on this footage. So once it is downloaded, go to the effects panel and there you need to search for GoPro FX reframe. So once you've done that, you have to just drag and drop and then also it will not change. तो यहाँ पे घबराना नहीं है. You just need to click on Ultra HD 3840x2160 and यहाँ पे भी it will be completely zoomed in. So in the left side you can see we are having one zoom panel. There you can just what you said, drag it out a little bit. So this much is fine, I believe. And then on the scale option you can click up to 115 so that you can get a complete timeline. And then guys, we are having pan, tilt, rotate, lens curve. These are the keys that we can use to enhance our look of the frame. तो पहले let's play with the lens curve. इसमें we will just confine to the Thar because we want Thar as the main subject. तो यहाँ पे as you can see when I put lens curve but we are having a main focus on Thar. The second part what we can do is we can play with tilt as well as rotation, and if we apply the keyframes here, then it will look really very great. So let's see how it looks like. I guess this much of rotation is fine, and yeah, so let's play it. So guys, what we have done is we have just done a keyframing, and it will play something like this. So you can have a different perspective having a one camera. So this is the edge of X3 which we are having. So guys, in the same way we can do the same thing in Insta360 Studio. I will mention the link. You can download this app and then we can have. So here also you have to just drag and drop the footages. But here we are having some more advanced feature, that is of deep tracking. So it will like track your subject. So jab bhi when you are posting or whenever you are exporting the video, your subject will remain in the front. And then say as the same thing you can export as per your requirement, and you can share it to your social media. So
guys, I hope you all are enjoying this video. So the next part is like, what are the specification of this beast? So let's talk about it. So this camera, it can shoot up to 5.7K at 30 FPS, 4K 60 FPS, 2.7K at up to 120 FPS. So yeah, you're having a variety of edges. So like you can shoot in whatever format you want to. So basically which I will prefer is it's 5.7K because you can reframe it little later in the post production, and it is really very helpful. So like if you want to crop it a little, like you can crop up to 20%. So like you will not lose any kind of detail. So that is the edge of 5.7K. Camera also shoot 8K time lapse, so it is way far better. So just imagine 8K time lapse you're having in your timeline. You can crop it up to 50% and boom, still you're having the resolution of the 4K. There are a lot of things to talk about, so video बहुत लंबा हो जाएगा. So I will mention all the specifications here. And one more thing, it can shoot 72 megapixel 360 photos, which is again above the edge. Now the question arises, to whom this camera is for? तो basically ये सभी के लिए मेरे opinion से, क्योंकि if you are starting your career in cinematography, still you can have it because you can get the wide angle of perspectives which no mirrorless camera can give. Though you can put any wide angle lens on that, you cannot get the 360 perspective. So yeah, that is the edge of this camera. Though you will lack depth of field in this, but still it's the best. And the remaining specifications I will mention here that you can see it. So this, share and subscribe because I will be making such kind of videos on a weekly basis. अभी weekly से start करते हैं. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Signing out for today.